Now we are going to discuss today what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, right? We have already stated. It says every composite number can be expressed matlab factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. It's very unique. What is the meaning of unique? I will tell you. Apart from the order in which prime factors occur, इसका क्या मतलब? Apart from the order in which prime factors occur, ये unique नहीं है. Unique की मतलब विलक्षण, different. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ. ਰੱਬ unique है, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ, ਅੱਲਾ. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ. Right? इदा ही ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ फैक्टराइजेशन है यूनिक आ. मैं समझाऊंगा ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ यूनिक ਦਾ ਕੀ मतलब है. ठीक है? I just tell you यूनिक का की मतलब है. So, I'll tell you what is the meaning of unique. Now, 40 the factors करिए. 40 the factors की होंगे. 40 the factors ने 2 2 is 4 and 4 2 is 10. So 10 दे से कर लेने हैं 5 into 2. Now, he says every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Primes. We know what are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are 5, 7, 13, 11, 17, 19, then 3 also. 1 is not a prime number. Now, do you think this factorization is expressed in terms of prime numbers? No. 1 should not be there. So, we erase 1. Erase 1. Right. Now, this factorization of 40, that is 2 into 2 into 5 into 2, this is unique. Unique मतलब कि at 2 2 5 2 हो सकता है 5 इधर आ जाए. 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. Maybe it's possible. Or 5 comes in the last. So that is not unique. The order is not unique. Apart मतलब इतो अलावा, rather than this, from the order in which prime factors occur, the order जड़ा वो कोई भी हो सकता है. 2 इधर चले जाए या 5 इधर आ जाए. It can be also equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. But interesting thing is 2 तीन बार ही आएगा. 2 तीन बार आएगा, 2 बार नहीं आएगा. 2 तीन बार आएगा, 4 बार नहीं आएगा. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So this is unique. You can also write it is equal to 2 cube into 5 raised to power 1. Right? This way also you can represent. You can represent this way also. So this is known as prime factorization. What it is known as? It is known as prime factorization. I would humbly request you students that when I'm putting the videos, I'm putting all the videos on Learn CBSE, right? I humbly request you that you listen to this video again. Even if, like, we have a student Agam, from Spindale, very good in his catching capabilities, photogenic memories, but little poor in calculation, in practice part. We have girl like Sudeep, very good in photogenic memory, very good in calculation. We have Amanat, we have Sahaj, we have good students. Then we have the Pratap Singh Randhawa, good cyclist, and he's willing to learn. That's good. And Mole, willing to learn. So there are for every student, if you see the video again, it will help you. It will help you. Mathematics is not learned in a very fast manner. Aram, enjoy karo. So every composite number. Now, Now, I forgot to tell you what is composite number. Hope you know what is composite number. I tell you. What is a composite number? Any number. Any. I hope you are writing down. Any number having more than two factors is known as composite number. Any factor having more than two factors. Any numbers, I'm sorry. Any number having more than two factors. We all make mistakes. A teacher can make mistake. A video can have mistakes. Only God is there. He never makes any mistake. So don't worry if I make a mistake. Every one of us. It's normal. So what is a composite number? 4 is a composite number. Yes. It has factors more than 2. 1 is a factor of 4. What is a factor? Number which can completely divide 4 so that remainder is equal to 0. Right? Then 2 is the factor. Then the number itself is the factor of its own. 1 and number itself are always a factor of any number. It has 3 factors, more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. Right? 40 is also composite number. So he's talking about composite numbers. He's talking about composite numbers. Now the question is why he is not talking about prime numbers. You can think about that also. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Why doesn't it talk about prime numbers? Because obviously we know that prime numbers can be expressed in their primes. Prime numbers can be expressed in only two factors. No, prime numbers will have only two factors. Prime number, let's say 3 is a prime number. It will have only two factors. What? 1 and the number. So this is already stated now. Why to state it again? Why to state this again? That's why possibly it is not included in fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Am I right, Harpal? It makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, I'm happy, really happy today teaching you. Like, please don't do all this. Please don't do all this. So 3 is already expressed in 1 and 3. So why to state karanda ki faida? So fundamental theorem of arithmetic tells about the nature of which numbers? Which numbers? Composite. I want to talk
Composite
to you now.
number.
I really feel bad when I'm not talking to you. I'm just muting you. Why? Because some students don't have the manners. They're talking to family members. They don't understand how important a lecture is. How important Omkar Singh and time is not important. Maybe we get new theorems. Maybe a person like Agam, Supreet gives a new law to the society. So that is the more important. But I have to unmute because again I can hear sound. Okay. So this is every composite number can be expressed, factorized as a product of primes. And this factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factors occur. I would be very thankful to you, Supreet, if you speak this again without saying what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Can you speak it without saying? Okay. When I ask a question to a student, I always give you chance to unmute yourself. You can unmute and speak when I talk to somebody. After that, again mute yourself. Tell me.
Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factors occur.
Oh wow, great sound. Agam, I would like to hear you.
Yes, sir.
I would like
Every
to hear
composite
you.
number can be expressed in the form of as a product of its primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the primes occur.
Very right, very right. Oh, don't worry. Prime factors and prime is same. Don't worry, baby. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Now, Harpal, why this factorization is unique? Why it is written the factorization is unique? Okay. Who will explain?
Because factors will be different of different numbers. These factors can be used only for 40. That's why we say it unique.
but 2 and 5 can be used for 10 as well as 100 as well as 1000. So that is partially correct answer, not fully correct
Sir,
answer. Yes.
Number of
there is
primes
a there is a certain degree of every prime number which is unique to this number.
Beautiful. Beautifully explained. Let's clap for him. Beautiful. Very right. If the degree of 2 is 3, in fact, Agam, love you, baby.
Yes, sir.
It didn't come
Yes.
to my mind also. Love you so much. I'm really happy for your father. He introduced me to you. But I just wish that you be very humble. Then you can dwell more into the intrinsic, beautiful, and wonderful nature of mathematics. You can become a mathematician, really.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, really, I'm telling you. Also Harpal, also Sahaj, and also I want to see Agam. When someone is speaking, give chance. Don't worry. एकदम चुप हो जाओ. You speak. 1 second. Give chance. 1 second. There is a teacher calling. For me, these students are important, no teacher. School is not important. Nothing is important. My family is not important. You students. So much love. Great. Beautifully explained, students. This guy Agam is great guy, but poor in calculation. Also, मैं ज़्यादा पंप नहीं मारना चाहना. सहज कुछ बोल रही थी, बड़ी मेरी प्यारी बच्ची है. सहज बोल. Why this factorization is
prime.
unique?
Because every number has different number of primes occurred in every composite number are limited.
Limited as well as their number is same.
And different of every composite number.
Yeah. Wow, we're getting a second definition. You see, Sudeep, that every composite number. Harpal, hope you are understanding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. You are a great guy, Harpal. Remember that you are a great guy with a topi. Okay. So you know.
Hello, sir.
Yes. What is this?
Sir, yeah.
What is this?
Sir, Dheeraj here.
Oh, Dheeraj. Wow.
Sir, I want to ask,
Tell me.
sir, as Agam told that the degree will be always different. If we take 100, then we can write it as 5 square and 2 square.
5 square and 2 square. Perfectly right. Very good. So what
So
you
how
want
the
to say?
degree? So how the degree is different?
Yes, you see, degree is different. I'll tell you. Agam, don't have the habit of counteracting and proving you are right. No, baby. Let books prove you are right.
No, sir, nothing.
Let others prove. Let your teacher prove you are right. Don't worry. Keep quiet. So you see,
No, sir. I'm not.
Dheeraj, see here. The degree, देखो इस केस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਵੈਸੇ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਵੈਲਿਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ because ਇੱਥੇ 2 ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ 3 ਹੈ 2 ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ 2 ਹੈ 1 5 ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ 1 ਹੈ but yes your question is valid in this case. Let's say we have 8 into 2, that is 16. Let's say we take 16 composite number. Guys, you're enjoying, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
anyone wants to have tea? चाय आ गई मेरे वास्ते. Do you want to have tea?
No, sir, thank you.
Okay. Anyone who wants to have tea? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐ ਕਰੋ, just say tea in your mind and tea will come to your stomach. Okay. A sense kind of sense will come to your stomach that tea ले ली है ऐसे. ठीक है? So I can share tea with everyone. Okay. So let's say 16. So 16 is basically 2
raised to
square
the power 4.
raised to power. No, again I'm wrong. It's not a right example. The right example could have been. Everyone keep quiet, please. Hmm. The right example could have been.
40.
Wait. Right example could have been. Yes. 125. Dheeraj, you are listening?
Yes, sir.
Wow. 5 square. You know, Supreet, ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਲਾਸ 'ਚ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਜ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਯਾਰ 5 square 25 into 3. Am I right? Now you might say that ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ 5 square or 5 square same है. This is the question of Dheeraj actually. So how can Agam say that
Sir,
degrees are in this? Please allow me to complete. कि 5 square ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ same ਆ 5 square ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ same ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਤਾਂ same ਆ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ same ਹੈ ਬਟ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ 5 ਔਰ 2 ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ 5 ਔਰ 2 ਦੋਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਡਿਗਰੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਮ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋਇਆ 4 ਇੱਥੇ 5 ਔਰ 3 ਹੈ ਔਰ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਡਿਗਰੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਮ ਕਿੰਨਾ 3 ਸੋ ਫੈਕਟਰਸ ਵੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਡਿਗਰੀਜ਼ ਵੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਨੇ 1600 ਤੋਂ 16 ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ which number we taken 40 40 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ 3 ਔਰ 5 ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ 1 40 ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ there cannot be any number ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 ਔਰ 5 ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮਸ ਹੋਣ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਵੀ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਸੇਮ ਹੋਏ this is actually what Agam wanted to say Dheeraj is it clear
Got it, sir.
good yeah good Dheeraj really salute you सारे अपनी वीडियो ऑन करो सुदीप देखी जेड़ा कौन गल कर रहा हो बुत बनाई है रेडमी वाला कर रहा
हाँ जी सर, रेडमी वाला।
बेवकूफ है यार वाला कहने जो नहीं समझते so sorry 10 minutes right now but I'll extend it okay so you understood Sahaj you understood hello Sahaj
yes, sir.
okay that's great so Veer Pratap आप बोल जड़ा फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक की है बोल खोते बोल जल्दी
सारी स्टेटमेंट बोला तो
हाँ सारी बोल आधी बोलेगा
every composite number can be expressed factorized as product of primes and thin factorized in unity
thin
a point from the odd sir thin
आके this side साइकिल तो थल्ले उतर जा कर कदे कदे this factorization is unique पुत यूनिक ਦਾ ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਵੀਰ ਪ੍ਰਤਾਪ यूनिक ना ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀਰ ਪ੍ਰਤਾਪ ਸਾਡਾ यूनिक ਆ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਵਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਅਪਾਰਟ ਫਰਮ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਅਪਾਰਟ ਫਰਮ ਮਤਲਬ ਆਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਛੱਡ ਦੋ ਕਿ the border in which prime factors occur order ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਉਹ यूनिक ਨਹੀਂ ਆ order change ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਵਾ very good ਹੁਣ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਯੂਕਲਿਡ ਡਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਲੈਵਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ कि डिफिकल्टी आई सी सम सॉल्व करन च, है ना। हुन अगम बहुत पीछे रह गया क्योंकि उन्हें सेकंड लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं किया, ठीक है। नाउ मैं अगम नूं अज क्वेश्चंस भेजांगा, वो वाले कर ले। तो कल बहुत सोहने क्वेश्चंस कीते सी आपां, फिर कोई लेक्चर मिस ना करो। ये लिंक है, आ लिंक इहदे नाल जुड़िया, वो लिंक उहदे नाल जुड़िया, आ लिंक इहदे नाल जुड़िया, एक टुट गया वो सारे गए, राइट। तो अगे चलते हैं, मैं इनू सेव करना, मैं इनू सेव करना।